G'day guys, Brendan from Adventure Merchants and Outfitters here. We are Sydney's home of adventure and expedition gear. Not only do we have the workshop out the back to build your full touring rig to take you around Australia, we also sell some of the best gear on the market. We know that the best gear makes for the best adventure in any weather. All right, let me show you around some of my favourite brands. These have been tried and tested over the last 20 years travelling Australia and the rest of the world. We've got Rourke, which is the menswear brand out of California, which is killer. I absolutely love it. We've also got Patagonia, which everyone loves. Super strong, lasts forever. Pure Raven, which a lot of people in Australia don't know, that is European's equivalent of Patagonia. It's really awesome, sustainable, which is why we love it. We're also the Australian home of Felden Shelter, a New Zealand rooftop tent brand. They are amazing. If you're in the market, come down and check them out. We have Barebones, beautiful cast iron, which is great for that open fire cooking. We love to throw our weight behind Australian brands as well. So we've got Project Pargo, Layday and Wolf Bear, which is a local Sydney brand that do really beautiful organic cotton jumpers and t-shirts and stuff like that. On top of all that stuff as well, we've got all your essentials. So quality hiking tents, lighting, knives, all the other stuff you can think of for that awesome outdoor adventure. If you haven't been down to Adventure Merchants before, come and check it out. You'll see we're not your average outdoor store or 4x4 workshop. And if you have been here before, there's always something new to see because we're always adding rad new brands and new ideas. So come and check it out and we hope to see you soon.